Hi, I'm Carly Walters, and today I'm going to share the 3 most common mistakes estheticians make when marketing dermaplaning, and what you can do instead to book more clients and grow your revenue. Too many estheticians talk about what dermaplaning is, like exfoliation, vellus hair removal, better product absorption. But clients don't buy features, they buy results. Instead, market the benefits: smoother makeup, glowing skin, and confidence. That's what sells. Another mistake? Only offering dermaplaning as a small add-on. When you do this, you downplay its value. Position it as a signature service or as part of a results-driven series. Your language should make it feel essential, not optional. The last big mistake? Not asking clients to rebook before they leave. If you let them walk out without rescheduling, you're leaving money on the table. Use simple rebooking scripts to make the ask feel natural and supportive. These mistakes are easy to fix, and when you do, you'll see your bookings increase fast. If you want the exact scripts, templates, and strategies to market dermaplaning with confidence, check out my course, How to Market Dermaplaning Services to New and Existing Clients. The link is below.